cleanroom is like a futurist fortified castle with multiple lines of defense to keep contaminants from entering. Without thorough procedures, a cleanroom professional can unwittingly be a Trojan horse. Let's experience the journey of a sterile cleanroom outer glove from the store to its end of life. Shield Scientific provides all the necessary certificates per lot number for the traceability of its cleanroom gloves. Each batch of Shield Skin Extreme sterile gloves is issued with a certificate of irradiation and a certificate of conformity. Certificates can be collected directly from our extranet. Our gloves are packed to meet the cleanliness requirements of the most sensitive cleanroom areas. A delicate process of unpacking the gloves, packed in multiple layers of packaging, warrants protection of the gloves and your cleanroom from potential contamination during the transfer to the grade A-B area. Prior to entering the controlled environment, the technician removes the PE case liner from the carton. A PE case liner contains 5 to 10 double-sealed PE bags, depending on the type of sterile gloves. Before entering a grade D environment, the technician takes the number of double-sealed PE bags she needs from the PE case liner. In the pharmaceutical industry, any cleanroom task requires to first disinfect various surfaces and items thoroughly. Thus, prior to leaving the grade D area in the second material airlock, the operator prepares the products for the entry into the grade C area by thoroughly disinfecting the outer bag. Using a cleanroom pass-through box, the sterile outer glove's inner bag is about to enter the sensitive zone of an aseptic production plant, the grade B area. Before opening the outer bag, the operator will again verify the sterilization indicator for a red color indicating proper irradiation and the expiry date. Before proceeding, the technician once again disinfects the whole surface of her gloved hands. The inner bag containing the sterile gloves peel pouches is now removed from the outer bag and is placed in the pass box from the grade C area side, and another technician will retrieve the peel pouches from the grade B area side. A double gloving practice is highly recommended in grade B areas. Extra long outer gloves guarantee a better contamination control. After a new rigorous disinfection of the handled cleanroom equipment, the technician sprays the disinfectant on her gloved hands, including the cuffs, and she ensures that the disinfectant is spread all over the gloves. The technician can now retrieve the inner bag containing the sterile gloves peel pouches from the pass box in order to store them in the grade B side of the personnel airlock. In the grade B side of the personnel airlock, it is now time to remove the inner bag. With the Easy Tear Cleanroom PE bag, the technician can effortlessly and without contamination risk open the bag. She can drop off the sterile gloves peel pouches in the appropriate sterile outer gloves stock location. All the conditions regarding stringent contamination control have now been met for you to work with your ShieldSkin Extreme sterile outer gloves. A double gloving procedure is a common practice in the critical pharmaceutical manufacturing areas. For a better protection of the process, it is preferable to select extra long cuff outer gloves. When correctly positioned, the extra long outer gloves will fully cover the sleeves of the coveralls and therefore avoid any potential exposure of the forearms. This enables you to complete your most critical tasks, while the correct positioning also facilitates glove disinfection. Wearing extra long cuff outer gloves is particularly recommended for critical tasks, such as maintenance activities under a grade A laminar flow, like changing a filling needle, in order to reduce the contamination risk as much as possible. The outer gloves must be changed regularly. It is important that during manufacturing operations, the technician constantly checks her gloves to ensure that there is no barrier defect. Double gloving with sterile gloves of two different colors makes it possible to more quickly detect a puncture. The monitoring of the viable particle contamination of a glove is a critical aspect of aseptic production, particularly with the new EU GMP Annex 1 and the Grade A requirement change relating to monitoring of gowns. This change favors the use of extra long cuff outer gloves. Before removing her outer gloves, the technician must complete a fingertip and thumb microbial sampling. Before leaving the Grade B cleanroom, or before changing her outer gloves to complete a new task, the technician removes the outer gloves following a strict procedure in order to avoid any contamination risk. Be at the forefront of the EU GMP Annex 1 by selecting one of our ShieldSkin Extreme 400 or 600 mm cleanroom sterile gloves. They will meet your compliance, comfort, and protection needs of all your aseptic procedures. ShieldSkin Extreme sterile gloves, excellence in aseptic processing and biocontamination control.